Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video: 6 gaming app that pay real money. Editor notice you can trust, include the balance and establish financial advice. We many in who receive compensation for issues of some product monitors in this article's option in the actors along this content not be provided by rewarded approved. You can advertiser and click our views not before everyone could use some extra cash, but you can hard fun and good ways to earn money. Your space time plus in many side headest defense your foundation to management and 5 to think about dwelling on wood work after get home from hard day our full-time jobs will this and make in just rich. There are many apps rewarded you for paying gamings and completed simply tasks on your phone. Some these apps pay real money is people and they scam dozen in this app out this and said many our teams scams, but if you not only legal but worth it. You went available receipt. Your full-time jobs with this app can give some extra pocket change. You can try it in useful some nice. Our views the best games app that pay real money. Site backups and fat on method. 6 game app that pay real money. 1 Swift Bakes. We pay iPhone, Android, Swiftbase.com. How to much can earn $2 to $4 per verse. How to much does and pay most. Some have cash every cost. Payment method PayPal you can redeem for rewarded like merchandise and gift cards. Sweetwax is one the best now. Website app that's rewarded. It is used, it is enjoy sign up this service and can use web measure and phones on some computers. That site offer big events to earn rewarded point in which are called. You can service in search internet watch video sign up bonds offer like free title defense product and use website shopping portal and earn rewarded you can purchase online. Switch back the game shop and provide a few different categories of games include cash your game can this and game free and earn everything your confidence your skill this game offer pay and complete with cash price and credit you have pay entry and fees to your win make with profit your own game lost and game full but enjoy pet and wrapped some entry cost. For example, you are making 4 6 paid words and every dollar spent interest. Financial and downloaded play games you can for you have sign up and offer site download app and meet credit requirement and reaching minimum level to earn rewarded. My point $10 bonus we pay through ISO and mypoint.com. How much can earn $2 for per verse? How much does cost pay to free payment method PayPal gift cards? My pointed website every similar offering rewarded activities like tracking service, watching video and playing games. My point hard is on focused earning money in your shop, rewarding viewers with ads so much is 40% off in the point shop in particular related store website side offer corrupted and use save more and with shop if you want to earn rewarded will some games you can fill out my service and all custom site action. You cash my point and money sent your PayPal account. You can redeem vertical related gift card, convert and United Magli Plus and letting some extra money fail we and right how much can an earn $3 to $5 per hour. How does your cost free payment method gift cards multiple in Android app only rewarded playing defense game you can phone starting every rewarded multiple defense cost JXP until games having include your GXP, your experience point and trial special gamers that play target app and get more. A new game started that's dashing experience great uncleat currency redeem rewarded like gift cards. How much uncleat can you earn gamings? In general, $3 to $5 per was redeem rewarded once and earn without uncleat. Boosted once training in publisher cleaning house defense. Others website and latest running rewarded you can pay in game over and likely $3 include pay games. How does your free 15 per after two free pay game date? The first paying giving in daily travel games and twist day each join person item answers travel question uncleat finishing round miss and many question each question answers point time and highlights some case the seconds way to earn pay and daily question giving advertisement when to pay giving task sum and you can also censor on quick point. These sums most quickly pay game and earn. How does into app money if you app and pay go more bank this app makes in particular some apps and pay by game developers with more to pay games referring in this advertisement and using pay and play. How when to can earn list where depending on constant primary factor how much can inherit and apps fun and use the point and article as let's and use and gaming earn some extra money. You can money takes in earning also. Some give rewarded games and other also try stray data colorful which application install your phone and security based check rewarded instant theme and does give and access apps are safe Portland play game your post and your niche option out this fun and earn some extra cash accepted replaced and day jobs you can help niche and sub daily like subscribe press the bell icon for latest mission update thanks for watching